There are very few things cooler than a vintage Corvette, except for one with a 4-speed in it. And even cooler than that would be one with a 5-speed in it. But that would require cutting up the car, right? Not anymore, because American Powertrain has come out with a ProFit TKX 5-speed transmission kit for the classic C1, C2, and C3 Corvettes. Now check this out. Obviously, the heart of the system is this new TREMEC TKX 5-speed transmission that hits that magic sweet spot between the old classic Muncie 4-speed and the massive Magnum 6-speed. But it doesn't stop there. No, American Powertrain modifies the shifter location so it comes up in the stock location in the stock console. So you don't have to modify the console, you don't have to modify the tunnel, everything bolts right in. You even get a Corvette style shifter and gear indicator. So nobody's going to know you have 5 gears unless they look really closely. Then, of course, you get a performance clutch, pressure plate, and flywheel. You have all of the hardware well laid out so you can put it in. You get a new bell housing. You even get a new drive shaft. So if your Corvette currently has a stick, this is a direct bolt-in. If you're converting from an automatic, American Powertrain even has the pedals to do that. So if you're tired of the lack of gear options in your 55 through 82 Corvette, 5 forward speeds is now possible with the ProFit TKX 5-speed system from American Powertrain.